everyone, welcome back to another mukbang. Today I'm back with some real sound slash ASMR mukbang. I am back with TacoBell. So I have Burrito tacos. This one is I believe this one is the cheesy burrito. I'll leave everything in the description box what I ordered. This is Crunch Supreme Wrap, and I think this is new to their menu. This is rolled tacos, so it seems a little crunchy. So I wanted to give that a try online. It did say it is limited time only, so I'll let you guys know how I like it. For dipping, I have spicy ranch and some guacamole. I ordered Diablo sauce, but they gave me regular hot sauce, but it's okay. Dong is watching Aiden in the other room, and I hear Aiden. I'm pretty sure the mic's gonna pick that up too. But he is being taken care of. He is not alone. I've never heard of a spicy ranch sauce, but this sounds good. Let's try this. I'm gonna try it without the sauce first. It is crying. I swear, my husband is taking care of the baby. Spicy ranch. It almost reminds me of a spicy mayo. Let's try one with guacamole. I love guacamole, but I've never tried guacamole from Taco Bell. Wow, this sauce is so good. These taste more like it's like more snack category than actual meal. Like compared to like Supreme Wrap or like even like more snacky than quesadillas. Wow. I actually never tried the Burrito Taco Bell, the taco either. I spill everywhere, but it's okay. Spilling everywhere. Wow, this is messy. Wow, I could like probably make another taco from all the stuff that I spilled. Let's do the cheesy burrito. Wow, there's like a layer of cheese. It's very cheesy. I've had this before, but I never took a minute or second to look at what's inside. But it has like, I think these are chips. What's it? Like this part. One of my favorite. I used to love Taco Bell's chalupa, but I've been loving the crunch wrap. That wasn't crunchy at all. But when you have it, as soon as you get it, it tastes so much better. So these are not really giving me the sound that I was expecting in my head. So I think I'm going to focus on the rolled tacos and the Dorito, because I want this crunchy sound. You guys, it's almost fall. I was driving by this road where it's just covered in trees. I saw like a patch of orange leaves. I'm like, wow, it's already fall. That's so insane. I'm sure you guys are hearing a lot about cicadas right now. Do cicadas cry most beginning of summer, midsummer, or when they're about to all die? It's been everything. I feel like because of the cicadas, I'm like in the most hottest day of the summer, but it's actually not. Just crazy. So I'm actually going to leave one because I do want my husband to try one. Going to leave this for him as well, and I think I gotta take a few more bites and I gotta give the rest to Tone because I know he's hungry and I'm full. Last night, Tong and I had a great night out with our friends. You know, Tong was like, drunk and I was just like, I had to bring him home. And usually on the days like that, like Tong cannot just come home without like stopping by like Taco Bell or any other food place. I'm like, there's McDonald's, but he hates McDonald's. So I'm like, okay, well, that's the closest one. I'm not gonna drive another 20 minutes to go to Taco Bell's, which is kind of shocking because I feel like Taco Bell would be as available as McDonald's, but it's actually not. Like, I would have to drive at least 20 minutes to go to a Taco Bell, like the nearest one. So we ended up coming home without it. So I'm glad I filmed this today. He's gonna, be able to try some, or like have some, I guess. Since the ASMR part is over, I thought for some reason the burrito was gonna be a lot more thicker, so it's gonna give me that like sound instead of like no sounds. It's okay. I think I got pretty good sounds from these two, so pretty satisfied with my video today. This sauce, guys, spicy ranch, so good. Like in the beginning, it tasted more like a spicy meal to me for some reason, but I'm starting to taste more of the ranch now. Still pretty good. Man. A little bit more. This is very cheesy, like the name of the burrito. It's not really for me. I think it tasted a lot better last time because I had it right away. That was very delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed another real sound video. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.